Hi everyone, welcome to Acharya Mathematics. It always seems impossible until you visit Acharya Mathematics. I hope you have seen my previous videos. In case you are not seen, please go through it. Dear students, in today's video, let us derive important identities. That is tan of x plus y equals tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Second one, tan of x minus y equals tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Next one, cot of x plus y equals cot x cot y minus 1 whole divided by cot y plus cot x. Fourth one, cot of x minus y equals cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Let us we prove one by one. First, let us we prove the first one, tan of x plus y equals tan x plus tan y whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Okay. Here we are going to prove that tan of x plus y equals tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. I consider LHS, that is tan of x plus y. First, I write a tan function in terms of sine and cos. Tan function is a quotient of sine and cos. Yes or no? That is sine of x plus y divided by cos of x plus y. Next, I am going to use the formula of sine of x plus y. Sine of x plus y equals sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. And again in the denominator we use the formula cos of x plus y equals cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Next, let us to obtain this result, just to observe here, in the denominator the first term should be 1. Okay, so here hence we have to make it denominator of the first term as 1. To make it as 1, I divide by the same quantity. For example, suppose if you have like this 2, if you divide by 2, it gives 1. Yes or no? So I am going to divide the first term of denominator by cos x cos y. When I am going to divide, the value doesn't alter when we divide both numerators and denominator. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. Here we have to divide entire numerator and denominator. I mean divide each and every terms of the numerator and denominator. That is sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x sin y. Next, here we have cos x cos y are copied as it is, and I am going to divide by this quantity cos x cos y, yes or no, minus sin x sin y divided by cos x cos y. So here cos y get cancels. So here cos x get cancels. So we get sin x by cos x equals tan x plus sin y by cos y, that is equal to tan y whole divided by here cos x cos y get cancels, we get 1 minus here sin x divided by cos x gives tan x, sin y by cos y gives tan y. So that is tan x into tan y, hence the result. Okay, next let us we prove second one. Tan of x minus y equals tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Just what we have observed in previous case, we follow the same steps. That is tan of x minus y equals sin of x minus y divided by cos of x minus y. And I use the formula for both numerator and denominator. Sin of x minus y equals sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos of x minus y equals cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Next, again I have to make it the first term of denominator as 1. Hence, I am going to divide both numerator and denominator by cos x into cos y. So, see here. I have written sin x cos y as it is. I am going to divide by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y. I am going to divide by cos x cos y. Yes or no? Next, this is I have written as it is cos x cos y and dividing by cos x cos y here plus sin x sin y dividing by cos x into cos y here. After dividing, we make simplify. Here cos y get cancels and here cos x get cancels. Sin x by cos x is tan x minus sin y by cos y, that is equal to tan y whole divided by cos x will get cancels. 1 plus here sin by cos tan, sin by cos is tan. Yes or no? Sin x by cos x gives tan x. Sin y by cos y gives tan y. Hence the result. Okay. So here we have proved these two results. First one and second one. Okay. Next let us we prove third one in similar manner. Here consider LHS. That is first what I write the formula. What we are going to prove that cot of x plus y equals cot x cot y minus 1 whole divided by cot y plus cot x. Here LHS, I have considered LHS, cot of x plus y. Cot of x plus y equals cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. And I am going to use the formula cos of x plus y equals cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Next, sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Again, see here what to do here. You observe the numerator and particularly second term. Second term we have 1. To make it 1 here, to make it this as a 1, I am going to divide the numerator denominator by sin x into sin y. See here, dividing numerator denominator by sin x into sin y. Okay, so here cos x cos y divided by sin x sin y minus sin x sin y divided by sin x sin y. In the denominator, sin x cos y divided by this one plus cos x sin y divided by this one. So here cos x by sin x gives, that is cot x. Cos x divided by sin x, that is gives cot x. Next, cos y by sin y gives cot y minus. So here numerator is equal to denominator get cancels 1. So here sin x divided by sin x, okay, get cancels. Cos y by sin y, that is equal to cot y plus here sin I get cancels. Cos x by sin x, that is equal to cot x. Hence the result. Okay. Next let us we prove cot of x minus y. Here I have written the what we are going to prove that cot of x minus y equals cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. LHS is cot of x minus y. Again cot of x minus y equals cos of x minus y divided by sin of x minus y. I use formula cos of x minus y equals cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Sin of x minus y equals sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Yes or no? Next you observe here in the numerator the second term is 1. Okay, therefore I have to make it 1. I am going to divide by the same quantity, that is sin x into sin y. See here, I am going to divide the both numerator denominator by sin x into sin y. See here, cos x into cos y divided by this one plus sin x into sin y divided by this one. Sin x into cos y divided by this one minus cos x into sin y divided by this one. Here cos x by sin x equals cot x. Cos y by sin y equals cot y plus numerator is equal to denominator, hence it gives 1 divided by here sin x and get cancels, cos y by sin y, that is equal to cot y minus sin I get cancels, cos x by sin x, cos x by sin x gives cot x. Yes or no? So this is the result. So here in today's class, we have derived four important identities. That is tan of x plus y equals tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x minus y equals tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan y. Cot of x plus y equals cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. And then cot of x minus y equals cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. These are very important results. We have to learn all these and we use it as a formula. Okay, I hope you understood. Yes or no? Thank you for